Why do 80% of beginners struggle with JavaScript? It's all about understanding variables and data types. Let's break it down. First up, variables. Think of variables as containers that store data. To create a variable, you use the let or const keyword. Like this, let age equals 25. Here, age is the variable name, and 25 is the value stored in it. Simple, right? Now, on to data types. In JavaScript, data types tell us what kind of data we're working with. There are numbers like 42, strings, which are text, like hello world, and booleans, which are true or false. For example, let is raining else false. Here, is raining is a boolean variable. So there you have it. Variables and data types explained in a minute. Ready to master more? Hit that subscribe button and keep learning.